these things. Here we'll take our OLED, right? There are 4 pins. Okay, so SDA, which pin is used for SDA? You can see 21st, right? And where it was, yeah. Let me connect the SDA with the 21st, and where it is 21st. Wait, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया, 1 मिनट. Okay, connect the SDA pin. हो जा भाई. Done. Now it's time to connect SCL pin. We'll connect SCL with pin number 22. Okay. And connect that VCC part 3.3. So this is the basic connection with the OLED. Okay. Just create a new project with the I2C demo, scanning demo kind of, whatever you can give the name. Let me check. I have it now. I2C basic. Yeah, I have this program. Okay. Connect the hardware as mentioned in the circuit diagram. I think it's here. Okay, and confirm it. But before that, start your new project and make it first of all put it into the build so that it will take little bit time. Yeah, hello. Yes.
Can we use other pins or only those pins are specific?
No, no. These are the specific one for the dedicated for the I2C.
Okay.
Yes.
But in also same written address, but I don't know. Address is not shown.
Sorry. I
I'm
think
not able to see the address.
device phone it is okay. Scan completed and that's the name. Okay.
Pawan, I think we need to use pull up registers, right?
Sorry.
Pull up registers.
Pull up resistance. But I think it should be already there in a LCD model. Should be there. But I think we can add that. But first of all, let me check that it has pull up register or not. Uh, 10 मिनट बाद चलेगा है ना. Okay. I think LED should have pull up register. ground ही हो गया. VCC complete. This 21 is SDA. So this may be a common mistake, right? So before connecting the check that 21 is SDA, right? And we have connected that. Yeah, I think it's fine in my case. That is better. 21 is connected to SDA. This is the 21. So I have reversed that connection by my mistake. Let me connect it to. Guys, please check your connection before that. SDA